This is MikeBot. I have finally received my Bambu X1 Carbon with AMS. This didn't really take that long to arrive. I ordered it and I think I got it within 5 days, but what a printer. So I'm doing things a little different this time. I've already filmed the entire unboxing and initial setup, and I'm going to be doing a voiceover on the entire thing basically. So here I'm clearly using a katana to unbox it. Yeah, your eyes are not deceiving you. Yes, I used a katana to unbox the Carbon. I figured it deserved a really nice sword to basically get unboxed. So I'm slowly unboxing it here. Everything is fast forwarded. The entire process took me about 30 minutes. So as you can see at the bottom here, I got 3 things of filament. One of them was carbon fiber, the other was PLA support, and then I got a green PLA, and then an accessory kit. So basically, this thing is packaged really, really, really well. Like, it's incredibly well packaged. I received it in perfect condition, no cracked glass, no dents, nothing. There was a little dent in the box, but not a big deal. Removing the packaging was it required a little bit of work, but overall, it's needed for a printer like this. You really need to secure something this heavy duty. This is by far the best and easiest printer I've ever unboxed in my life. So as you can see, everything is unboxed nicely, and I'm just slowly one by one placing them there. So you got a spare hot end, nozzle cleaner, you got the tools, you got some grease for the rods, the PLA, the glue stick, and an extra bed sheet actually. I did order a ton of extra accessories for this thing. They haven't arrived yet. Once they arrive, I'll do another unboxing video on them, and I'll also go through everything one by one. The AMS was really, really well screwed into there. You have to remove a couple screws actually to take the AMS unit out. And they did that obviously because they don't want anything rattling around. There's a big little piece of plastic that comes out after you finish unscrewing the AMS unit. There's also a few other screws you need to go through one by one. Connecting the AMS unit on the back here is pretty straightforward. Connect the PTFE tubing, the 2 wires. It's pretty straightforward stuff. You just follow the manual. It's literally like 8 pages and it takes maybe, 10, 15, 20 minutes tops from beginning to end. I do have a dual shot going here. So you got my DSLR camera filming a wider shot, and then my main 1080p Canon camera filming the actual process. So here's where I mentioned there's 2 other screws for the bed, and this is basically to release the bed. So as mentioned, I filmed this differently for several reasons. I am probably the 1,000th person, or maybe 3,000th person to do an unboxing on this. I didn't want to do what everybody else was doing. I want it to be different. The process, like I said, is very straightforward, and it basically involves removing 8 screws in total with an Allen key, connecting the AMS, which is 2 cables. If you follow the instructions, you cannot mess this up at all. If you received an issue with the product, or there's a crack or dent, you email support and they basically take care of it within 7, 8, 10 business days. I don't know. Luckily, knock on wood, I didn't have to deal with that. There's not really much more to show in this unboxing. I wanted to do something really quick and efficient. This was maybe a 35-minute video. I trimmed it down to 3 to 5 minutes just to make it short and sweet for everybody. I want just somebody to kind of experience it in high speed. Again, wanted to do something different, so I hope I don't get too many negative comments on that. But again, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'm always ready and willing to help in any way, shape, or form that I can. I'm not sponsored by Bambu. I am not sponsored by anyone. All this stuff is purchased out of my pocket. I am doing this as a hobby and for your entertainment and for basically educational purposes. So again, any questions or comments, leave them below. If you enjoyed this version of the Bambu unboxing that no one else has done before, hit the like button. If you didn't, let me know why. If you haven't done so already, it is greatly appreciated for you to subscribe to my channel. It shows me that you support what I'm doing and you want me to continue making videos. These videos are very expensive to make, so subscription really just makes me feel good when I see that. Thank you all for watching today. That's it for now. Stay tuned for part 2, which is the initial startup. That one will be more of a normal type video.
MikeBot out.